Alright, today we are going to be putting a HEI distributor on this 41.4 with a Flathead V8. Alright, what we've done, we've got number one cylinder up, and we've established that it's pointing at number one, and we're going to pull this distributor out and drop this new HEI unit in. First thing is we got to get this one unbolted.
Just don't move that fan, whatever you do.
And out of the way. Kind of hard to get to. This is what they call a 3-bolt. It's actually 4, but they call it a 3. There's a alternative one that's a 2-bolt.
Right here, going into that
oil.
That's
a new one.
You've got to clean them out with a rag, and I got to go get that stuff and put on your thread.
That one's the one that's going to go on there in a minute.
Now you hear me? So don't even, you got okay.
That's lined up with that. Let's set it back up. Yeah. Alright, we have gone ahead and put new plug wires in the factory tube. And we have removed the old submarine helmet setup, which it ran good, but I feel like the electronic ignition would give us a better spark. Isn't that something? It's called a tree. It goes in there and then on a Ford, it's one bank is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other bank's 5, 6, 7, 8. So she pumps them out. And now Taylor's going to remove that side plug wire pipe so we can put the HEI wire in it. I'll show it to you when he gets it out. He's almost got her out. It's that thing will look like a telephone from the 20s. Hold it to your head and we'll what do they say? We'll dispatch you. This is what we end up with. And this is the driver's side. So this is going to be 5, 6, 7, and 8 will come out the end. And here goes the cap. They already got it numbered for you. 1, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. Man, where's an 8? 8. Okay, I skipped it. All right, let's put it on. Okay, cap is on. Now just start putting them on. Find your one that we marked. That's it. And again, like I say, you can pull your slack once you're done. Okay, now that is on, and it is wired to each plug that it has to coincide with. We got to put the ends on it. We're going to go ahead and put new plugs in this Flathead while we're at it. Don't know if you've watched this car. We've had so many we've been filming on. It's been hard to keep up with any one in particular, but this one, we did a 1-wire alternator swap so it charges better. We're still running 6-volt, and it's a positive ground car. We did a aluminum radiator. We done a disc brake conversion in the front. We went through the fuel system on it. It's a cool car. It's as cool as it comes. It's still on its first life. The interior has been redone once upon a time. It's in really good shape. The paint has been touched up a time, maybe once. For the most part, the paint is mostly original. It's in very good condition. The whole car is as solid as a rock. Plenty of parts we're working with. Looks like original glass. Original Flathead. So, trying to make it look the part of still an old car, but have the drivability of something more modern. Tyler's finishing up the new coil install. We put it over there to keep it out of the way. And this car is still a positive ground, so everything's backwards on this thing. We're almost ready to crank it over and see what it does. We have since put the new ends on the wire, so all that's neat and new. Making the coil wire. And this is the distributor we went with. We're not sponsored by them or anything. It's just the one we bought. But it's a pretty nice looking distributor. For the part number 9705K, it's a E-Fire distributor setup. Okay, it's on. Oh, wait, don't crank it. Here we go. Alright, switch is on. Yeah. Oh, that's too easy. That was too easy. I'll be. Hey, it worked. I believe it cranks faster off HEI. Alright, now we're fixing to cut the old muffler off and make a little bit of noise. Check out how clean it is. This car is completely rust free. Quite amazing. I'm gonna get rid of this muffler. We're gonna make it loud. Ah, here she is with no muffler. There's a muffler. Alright. Oh yeah. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah, I want to run it out the back.
See what it sounds like inside. 41, see, on. Let's get it neutral. Sound like a flathead, don't it? Sounds pretty good. We gotta run it out the back, but don't blow it up. Alright, and there she is after a complete buff and a polish and a wax. And like I say, it's not 100% showroom paint job, but it's, keep in mind, this paint is old. Most of this paint is from 1941. It shines it really well. She's got her thin spots. She's got her freckles. And if you look real close, she's got checking, but when you back up, oh, it looks really good. Alright, this one's going to Cruising the Coast October 9. We got 2 weeks. We gotta get the tailpipe hooked back up. We're gonna run a glass pack exhaust. Sounded pretty good. If you heard it, I hope you liked it. But we'll close this video off with that one. Keep in touch. Next week we're gonna be on Hopper Hard and Heavy. We've got a complete interior for it right before we go.